Research on leisure travel buyers has shown that leisure travelers go through 5 distinct stages before they book their vacations. And one of those stages is deciding where to book from among all the options available today. How can you ensure that your agency continues to be the best choice for where they book? Introducing Uniglobe Trips. The Uniglobe Trips Marketing and Sales Support Program is designed to ensure that our agency members are fully involved in all 5 stages of a travel decision process. And that means increased leisure sales. As a Uniglobe member, how would this work for you? Let's have a look. Stage 1. Dreaming about destinations. The trigger to start dreaming can be a conversation with friends, family, or relatives, or while viewing a promotion or travel story online. Regardless of how the idea enters into their head, it doesn't take long to grow into a need for travel. The Uniglobe Trips program sparks the dreaming stage through delivery of a perfectly timed, creatively designed, professionally written leisure newsletter to your travelers. It features your agency and unique travel products with Uniglobe-only offers. It reminds them about you and your past relationship, so it helps you compete with the many travel sellers in the market. Our tracking reports confirm that the newsletter does an excellent job of sparking Stage 2. Stage 2. Researching. Did you know that 49% of leisure travelers tend to research online immediately after viewing a promotion? You know that even your most loyal clients research travel online and sometimes with other travel sellers. How does Uniglobe Trips help you respond to your client's need to do research on their own but still remain focused on you? By simply providing you a highly specialized leisure web portal. It's not just a website, it's more like a rich, interactive, web-based travel cafe. Owned by you and preloaded with thousands of pages of valuable travel content for leisure dreamers. And it's all available to share easily with their friends and family. Your agents will love having this information at their fingertips too. What's more, your Uniglobe Trips web portal is fully optimized for mobile users for better, bolder, readable displays of travel content. And these days, mobile is the fastest growing travel inquiry channel. On to Stage 3. Enquiry and sale. Did you know that 57% of travelers consider the internet as the primary place to inquire and book their vacation? What the statistics don't tell you is how many clients start their inquiry online but then book with the agents behind the website. Most do. That's why all your big online competitors have call centers. So how would you engage your clients effectively in this stage? By having a unique web portal and an easy connection to your talent. Your people and service help you stand out from the travel agency crowd. The Uniglobe Trips web portal gives you the opportunity to showcase your talent and make it easy to connect the dreamers to the dream-fulfilling experts on your team. Your clients can inquire at any point as they browse through various vacation ideas on your web portal. In fact, they can directly select an expert from your team, post a comment, or even invite their friends and family from social media networks to jump in and ask for their opinions and ideas. It's a full-fledged community of travelers, their friends, and your experts. On to Stage 4. Selling the dream. So now you've got people calling you or walking in to speak with one of your staff, and the goal is to book them their dream vacation. Being effective in this stage is all about how expert your people really are. How do you ensure that your people continue to have the selling skills and knowledge needed to convert a huge percentage of the inquiries into sales. And even more, how to make the planning and buying process such a positive experience that they keep coming back for more. Uniglobe Trips assists you in 3 ways. 1. By offering monthly destination and product training. 2. By teaching selling skills to agents to ensure their knowledge translates into sales and not just quotes with no results. 3. By providing access to preferred supplier relationships with reputable suppliers that will deliver a great travel experience, extra value, and competitive prices. It all leads to one thing: more bookings. But there's one more stage. Stage 5. Sharing priceless memories. Did you know that 53% of leisure travelers share pictures of their vacation online? What can you do to become part of your client's lifestyle? Easy again. On your very own Uniglobe Trips web portal, your clients can create their own profile, upload pictures, and share their experiences by connecting with their social media networks. Imagine the possibilities. The experiences of one client becomes the inspiration to travel for another person. It brings you back full circle to the dreaming stage, as you can participate and quickly capitalize on the budding interests of other potential travelers. New clients through referrals that you can track. Easy. Our final question. So how will you build your leisure sales in an ever more competitive world and a changing consumer buying style? We can help. Call us today for more answers. Let's talk.